Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another candlestick psychology video, yes, where I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology, but not only with this, but also with those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I will do a put here from this level, because I'm sure that price will continue to going down, because this kind of candle showed me a reversal, this kind of candle is showing me selling pressure, and those together, are telling me that we are getting here into a downtrend, and I entered here above the closing price of the previous candle to get a margin of safety, like I have explained in my ebook, yes, and that is the reason why I'm entering here into a put, expecting that price will go down further. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening here. So let's see. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Yes, price is hitting the 200 EMA, is crossing the 200 EMA. Now we are getting maybe into a breakout. 1 second. Okay, sorry. So we have here now coming up maybe, okay, this showing me buying pressure. Yes, but this bearish candle is showing me selling pressure, and that's the reason why I'm doing here into a put again, because I'm expecting that price will continue to going down. That is how you have to read the ratio between the wick and the real body, the closing price of the candle and the lower or the upper shadow, which is telling also something about the psychology, yes, and obviously the wicks in itself, yes, and then after this, yes, you have to understand the market condition, support and resistance levels, and the trend, yes, that is important. So that was here now a sign for me that we are getting now into a reversal, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call here again, yes, because after this kind of strong bearish candle, which was showing me a strong downtrend, and then this kind of candle, which is showing me instead that we are getting here into a reversal, because it's a weak candle. Yes, I understood that we are getting now here into a reversal at this kind of support and resistance level. You see here hitting again the change of polarity. Here we have resistance, support, yes, and that is the reason why this area is working, and price is almost often, like I have explained in so many videos, live trading videos, ranging around the 200 EMA. We have here ranging market. You see it's a little bit an uptrend. Yes, we have a small uptrend because we have the 200, the 100, the 50, and the 20. This is the trend what was the last 3 hours, yes, but in general we have here a ranging market, and that's also the reason why we get here such kind of huge candles. Okay, so that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye. Okay, that looks like a call here. Yes, I understood that price will continue to going up because we are still into a ranging market. The previous candle is a nice bullish candle where the closing price is close to the upper shadow. Yes, that shows me a really strong bullish pressure here. Yes, and that is the reason why I entered on, and that is important, on the support level from the 200 EMA, yes, into a trend continuation. That is what I have explained over and over again. That is the call option on support in an uptrend, yes, and you can do also put option on resistance into a downtrend. So okay, that was it. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.